This weekend, some of you might be celebrating what is known as Pi Day. For all you math lovers, it's the celebration of the symbol pi, which represents, in simple terms, the ratio of the circumference of a circle in relation to its diameter, which is 3.14, hence why we celebrate it on March 14th. For the rest of us, it's a great excuse to enjoy a good piece of pie. For those of us who still wrestle with making a good pie crust from scratch, I want to share a no-roll version that tastes like buttery shortbread. To make it, we start by combining some flour, sugar, and a bit of salt in a 9-inch pie plate. Then, in a measuring cup, we whisk together some vegetable oil and milk to pour over our flour mixture. Now, using a fork, we mix this together until a soft dough forms, which takes no time. All that's left to do is form it into our pie shell. We can do this by using our fingertips to flute the edges to give it a homemade look. Now you can either bake it until it's golden and fill it with a no-bake filling, like we've done with this chocolate pie, or just fill it and bake it according to your recipe. Either way, to get the recipe for our no-roll pie crust, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a no-roll easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.